Good morning, Anna. Are you ready for our day in San Francisco?
Good morning, Sam. Yes, I am. I have been looking forward to this trip for a long time.
I'm happy to hear that. This city is one of my favorite places in America.
Really? Have you visited it before?
Yes, I came here about 3 years ago and I enjoyed every minute.
Then today, you are my guide.
I would be happy to be your guide.
So, what is our plan?
First, we will ride a famous cable car. After that, we will visit Fisherman's Wharf for lunch.
That sounds perfect. I have always wanted to ride a cable car.
It is one of the best experiences in the city.
I also heard that San Francisco has many steep hills.
That is true. Some streets are so steep that they surprise every visitor.
I hope I can walk all day.
Don't worry, we will take short breaks along the way.
Good. I brought my camera because I want lots of pictures.
You will need it. Every corner of this city looks beautiful.
Will we visit the Golden Gate Bridge today?
Of course, that is one of our biggest stops.
And I want to see the ocean too.
You will. The bay is very close and the cool sea air feels wonderful.
This already feels like a dream vacation.
The best part hasn't even started yet.
Then let's not waste any time.
Come on, our cable car is almost here.
There it is. It looks even better than the pictures.
I told you that you would like it.
Where should I sit?
You can sit inside or you can stand and hold the bar.
I think I'll stand. I want to enjoy the fresh air.
Good choice. Just hold on tightly because the streets are very steep.
Wow, we are already climbing the hill.
The cable car makes traveling on these hills much easier.
I don't hear an engine. Is it electric?
No, there's a moving cable under the street.
Really? Then how does the car move?
The gripman controls a big lever. When he grabs the cable, the car moves forward.
And when he lets go?
The car slows down or stops.
That is very clever. I have never seen anything like this before.
San Francisco is the last city in the world with this kind of cable car.
That makes this ride even more special. Ding ding! I love the sound of that bell.
The gripman rings it to warn cars and people.
It sounds happy. It almost feels like music.
Many visitors say the same thing.
Look at the colorful houses. Everything looks so beautiful from up here.
Wait until you see the bay.
I can't wait.
Our stop is next.
Already? I wish the ride were longer.
Maybe we can ride another one before we leave the city.
Deal.
Welcome to Fisherman's Wharf.
Wow, I can already smell the sea.
This is one of the busiest places in San Francisco.
I hear some strange sounds.
Those are the sea lions.
Really? Where are they?
They are resting on the wooden docks near the water.
They are much louder than I expected.
Yes, many tourists come here just to watch them.
Hello, what would you like today?
2 clam chowders, please.
Would you like them in sourdough bread bowls?
Bread bowls? What are those?
We make a round loaf of bread, remove the metal, and pour the hot soup inside.
That sounds delicious.
It is one of San Francisco's most famous meals.
I would love to try it.
Here you are.
Thank you. This bread smells amazing. Why is it so famous?
It has a special sour taste. Bakers here have been making it for many years. After you finish the soup, you can eat the bread too.
Really? That's the best part.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much.
Sam, look over there. I can finally see the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yes, there it is. But look carefully.
That's strange. I can only see the bottom of the bridge. It looks like a big white cloud.
It's a fog. The fog often comes in the afternoon, especially during summer.
It makes the bridge look magical.
That is why many photographers love this view.
I always thought the bridge was bright red.
Most people think that, but it has a special color. It is called International Orange.
That is a beautiful name.
The color is easy to see in the fog, so it helps ships and pilots.
That makes sense.
The bridge opened in 1937, after about 4 years of construction.
People built this huge bridge almost 100 years ago?
Yes, and it was very difficult work.
I respect the workers even more now.
The bridge is almost 2 miles long.
Maybe one day we can walk across it.
I would love that.
Before the fog covers everything, let's take a picture.
Great idea. Smile.
Sam, what is that street?
This is Lombard Street.
It looks like a long snake.
That's because it has 8 sharp turns.
Why did they build it like that?
The hill was too steep for a straight road.
So the turns help cars drive safely?
Exactly. They make the cars move slowly.
I can see flowers everywhere.
The gardens are beautiful, especially in spring.
Do many people visit this street?
Yes, thousands of visitors come every day.
Just to drive down this road?
Yes, it is one of the most famous streets in the world.
Can we walk down?
Of course. There are steps for visitors.
The view from here is amazing.
San Francisco always has another beautiful view waiting for you.
Welcome, please come in.
Thank you. I want to buy a few gifts.
You came to the right place.
These little cats are so cute.
They are called lucky cats.
Why is one arm moving?
People believe it brings good luck and good business.
I'll take 2 of them.
Wonderful choice.
My mother loves tea. Do you have green tea?
Yes, this is one of our most popular teas.
I'll take 1 box.
Here you are. And today, fortune cookies are free.
Thank you. I thought fortune cookies came from China.
Many people think that, but they became popular here in San Francisco.
Really? I didn't know that.
This Chinatown is one of the oldest in North America.
I love the red lanterns and colorful streets.
We are proud of our neighborhood.
What a wonderful day.
We visited many famous places.
My feet are tired, but I'm very happy. Look over there. The fog is coming back.
Yes, and people here even gave it a name.
Really? What is it?
They call it Carl the Fog.
They gave the fog a name? That's funny.
Local people love talking about Carl.
I'll never forget that.
So, what was your favorite place today?
That's a difficult question.
Why?
I loved the cable car, the bridge, the sea lions, and Chinatown.
That's almost everything.
Exactly. Every place was special.
I'm glad you enjoyed your first visit to San Francisco.
Thank you for being such a great guide.
You're welcome. Maybe next time we'll walk across the Golden Gate Bridge.
I would love that.
Now, let's find a nice restaurant for dinner.
And maybe a hot cup of tea.
Perfect ending to a perfect day.
See you in the next video.
Bye.